Safe space, kids!
Hi there. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to the zoo. We're surrounded by so many amazing animals. How about I introduce you to each one? I'll even share some fun facts about them as we go. Doesn't that sound like fun? Let's get started. Come on, follow me. This is a bear. Bear. Did you know there are so many kinds of bears? The biggest one of all live up in the Arctic. It's the polar bear. This is a crocodile. Crocodile. Doesn't it look like a dinosaur? That's no surprise, because their ancestors roamed the earth over 65 million years ago when dinosaurs were still around. How cool is that? This is a deer. Deer. Look at those antlers. They're like branches growing out of its head. Usually only the males have antlers, but sometimes females do too. The males use them to show off how big and strong they are. This is an elephant. Elephant. These gentle giants are the biggest land animals on earth, weighing over 6,000 kilograms. And see that long trunk? They can even use it like a snorkel to breathe underwater. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffes have the longest necks of all land animals. And did you know their spot patterns are like fingerprints? No two giraffes have the same design. This is a hippo. Hippo. Hippos love living in groups, mostly made up of moms and their little ones. And guess what? They even have their own special language of grunts and snorts to talk to each other. This is a monkey. Monkey. Monkeys are super smart. They can use tools, solve puzzles, and even talk to each other using sounds and gestures. Isn't that clever? This is a gorilla. Gorilla. Gorillas are apes, not monkeys. They don't have tails, and they have incredible memories. Sometimes they even chew on sticks to keep their teeth clean. Smart and strong. This is a lion. Lion. They're called the kings of the jungle, but lions don't live in jungles. They live on grasslands and savannas in Africa. Male lions have those magnificent manes, while the females, or lionesses, don't. This is a tiger. Tiger. Do you know who the real king of the jungle is? Tigers, due to their strength and dominance in their forest habitats. Tigers are the biggest cats in the world, and their roar is so loud it can be heard up to 4 kilometers away. That's some serious volume. This is a zebra. Zebra. These black and white beauties are cousins of horses and donkeys. Their stripes help protect them by confusing predators when they're all grouped together. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. They're the largest birds in the world, but they can't fly. Instead, they run super fast, up to 70 kilometers per hour. That's speedy. This is a peacock. Peacock. Look at those amazing tail feathers. The males show off their stunning blue and green tail feathers to impress the females, who are called peahens. Aren't they dazzling? This is a parrot. Parrot. These colorful birds are great mimics. They can copy sounds they hear, so it sounds like they're talking, but they're really just repeating what they've learned. Wow, we've learned so much today. Can you remember the names of all the animals we met? Let's quickly go over them together. This is a bear. Bear. This is a crocodile. Crocodile. This is an elephant. Elephant. This is a deer. Deer. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. This is a hippo. Hippo. This is a monkey. Monkey. This is a gorilla. Gorilla. This is a lion. Lion. This is a tiger. Tiger. This is a zebra. Zebra. This is an ostrich. Ostrich. This is a peacock. Peacock. This is a parrot. Parrot. Which one was your favorite? I'd love to know. You can watch this video as many times as you like to learn even more about these amazing animals. And don't forget to subscribe to Safe Space Kids for more fun and exciting adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.
Safe Space Kids!